Hello everyone, and welcome back to our farm. Those of you that subscribe to our channel know that we are constantly trying to reduce the time, effort, and money involved with our activities. It's not surprising then that this video pertains to a well-known maintenance problem associated with beehive tops and bottoms. So let's start this video with a closer look at the problem. Beehives are generally made of wood. Thus, to protect the wood from moisture and keep it from rotting, it needs to be constantly painted. However, even with expensive outdoor plywood and quality paint, cracks form that require constant repainting. Furthermore, activity around the entrance on the landing board causes additional wear that speeds up rotting. Yes, we could buy metal or plastic tops for the roof. However, they're expensive, especially if we have many hives at $40 a piece, and that doesn't even include the bottoms. So let's take a look at a real simple method we found to solve this problem. Our solution to this problem was to build the tops and bottoms from wood that could be acquired for free, and to coat them with discarded irrigation plastic, which was therefore also free. Now, we know that this solution is, in principle, probably not very original. However, success is in the details, and since our solution might have ideas and practices that you haven't yet considered, we thought we would pass on our experiences. All the wood was sourced for free from the trash pile of houses being built. For example, we made tops and bottoms for about 50 hives just from the trash pile of a 2-story house under construction. The plywood we used was oriented strand board, or OSB. Even though this wood is porous and not designed for outdoor use or even getting wet, since we were covering it with plastic, this was not a problem. We also used short discarded boards like 2x4s, 2x6s, etc., along with a table saw to quickly make tons of spacers and trim used with the bottom boards and tops. For the plastic, we prefer to use something we call blue tube. Blue tube is a plastic agricultural irrigation tubing used to deliver large volumes of water to the fields. These tubes usually come in lengths of 1,000 feet or more, and when a section of it gets accidentally damaged, the farmer will throw out the entire tube, which we can get for free by asking a farmer for it. We simply cut it down the side and open it up, giving about a 4-foot wide sheet. We then cut this into appropriately sized pieces for either the hive top or bottom board. Since blue tube is not available everywhere, we also tried construction plastic designed for use under cement foundations. This is not the stuff you buy at Walmart, but you can source it at any store that sells construction supplies. For the bottom boards, we took a piece of the plastic, wrapped it around the wood, and stapled it on the bottom. Then we used a nail gun to fasten the strips of wood on top of the plastic. As you might imagine, this is very quick to do. The tops were similarly made, except on the tops, we first attached the wood trim along the edge of the plywood, covered both the plywood and the trim with plastic, and then stapled the plastic to the bottom of the trim. Blue tube is thick, has UV inhibitors, and thus we expect it to last many years. However, just in case, we also gave them a very thin dusting of white paint with an airless paint sprayer to see if this doesn't help them last longer. It will naturally take many years to see how long these plastic tops actually last for. However, it's been about 2 years, and so far they look brand new. Although painting is optional, it may be a good idea to paint the plastic if using black construction plastic. This is to reflect the light and keep the hives cooler. We also drilled a 3/4 inch hole in the top and used a waterproof wood glue to fasten a 3/4 inch PVC elbow and then seal it with exterior caulking. With the wood and blue tube being free, we quickly and inexpensively built tops and bottoms that require essentially no maintenance, which after 2 years still look like the day they were built. Having struggled for years with the cost, time, and effort required to maintain our hives, we cannot put into words what a game changer this has been for us on our farm, and we hope you too will find it equally helpful. Well folks, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification button so that you're alerted when new videos become available. Lastly, as a new channel, it is somewhat of a miracle that you found this video. Thus, we would be very grateful if you would also click the like button so that YouTube's algorithm will allow others to see it also. That's it for now. See you soon. Hey Tack, hold up a sec. Hey, I need your help with something. I just finished some hives and I need to put them out. Do you think you can give me a hand? Seriously, I could really use your help. What do you say? Hey, come back here. Hey, I would have given you a suit. Coward.